Everyone, happy Friday. So sorry. It looks like I didn't stream on Wednesday and on Monday. I actually streamed, but I didn't record the video, so there was a bit of a um, technical issue um, that I had to kind of like bring down that video. But I'll see if I can reload it again. This Restream application that I use is now offering like recording of the videos, so um, that's a good thing because we can. I'm getting a double feedback. Let's see there. Yeah, it's like a delay. Um, but yeah, this is uh, I'm getting that video edited, and I will upload it to the YouTube channel. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to upload it to Twitch. In any case, yeah, I've been doing a lot of work on the QuarFeed application. Um, it's going really well. So what I did work on the application this couple of days, and I've actually done a lot of uh, advancement on it. Uh, so I'll show you guys where I have this thing going right now. So this is the actual like profile page. So as you can see, there's like now an image, profile image, and if you do edit profile, oh, I should start the Docker container for sure. And now you can see the profile picture there. You can edit the user. So if I want to change it to sfoobar2, that changes the username there, sfoobar2, as you can see here. And if I edit the profile, change it back to sfoobar, and that edits the username. And I can upload another image to the to my profile. So, oh, you don't see the selector there. Let's see if I can show you the desktop. See the image selector there, so I can select another. I think I have the same image twice, but I can select that and then edit profile, and that actually is uploading the image and process it, makes it square in three different sizes. And if you see the Visual Studio Code here, we have a images user folder that has the images with like a UUID generated. So the details of how I did that are definitely going to go into the course. But yeah, that's what I've been kind of like working on, and tests should be running properly. Everything is looking good, which is where you want to be. So yeah, what's the next thing for this? So I'm trying to think like what I think I should maybe start working on is the actual like posts in here. Like I said, this is like a friend feed, and let's see if I can show you what friend feed looked like in the past. Yeah, so this was like the what I'm trying to mimic a little bit. Oh, those like images are really small. Wow. But in any case, this was like the kind of like the UI. You would have a post message here, and then you would have the person, the title. I mean the username, a text if there was like URLs they were hyperlinked, the timestamp, and then you could comment, like, or hide. So that's what I'm trying um, to reproduce. Let me see if there's another one that's like higher. Doesn't look like it. Mm. Wow, I can't believe there's no like high res friend feed profile. I mean, screenshots. Let's see this one here. Oh my God, Thomas Hawk. He was a big one, a big user of the friend feed. See? Oh, yeah, they still like low quality. See if I can download this. Um, Original. Yeah, nice. It's a little bit better, but this can like I can have this kind of like oh, you guys are not saying this again. Hold on. Um, yeah, see this is the UI, so I'll try to like make it as at least this part here as similar as possible using Quartz. So I'm actually gonna save this. Save. Where can we move to? And I'm gonna put it on desktop. So there's another image here. Oh no. Is this the profile page? Can't tell. Uh, oh god, where is it? Mm, I'm trying to see if there's like a profile page because it was similar to I guess this. So we can just like make it like a simple approximation to that. But that image, let's see, friend feed, uh, home. This can be kind of like our inspiration to try to get that look and feel. Um, so yeah, definitely the colors are not the same, but I think we're getting there. Cool. So I'm gonna save this on the repo actually, because it might be useful. Where should I save this? Yeah, I don't want to save it on the main repo. Maybe under like docs. Yeah, create a docs folder. There you go. Cool. That's one thing. So trying to kind of like map out what would be the next thing that we work on. So let me bring my guide here, the Ulysses QuarFeed. Okay. So let's see. Step 9 is complete. So step 10. I have like some architecture things here. So user, the username, password, relationship. We have relationship already. Let's create a user. So that's the default like user profile. And I guess I can do it so that I follow this user. Follow. Oh. That's weird because the tests have the add friend. Maybe because it has a well, it's using the URL4 relationship app add friend username equals username. Oh, I think yeah, because I edited the way that I get the user. I think that link is not working anymore. Because what I had was a well, this is powered by relationship, right? Relationship views. So now when I get logged user, no, not this, to user, it's a dictionary that has the fields in it. So I'm passing no, there's two user ID. Get user by username. No, then I think it's on the actual profile. This part here, I think I have to do user.username. And then to unfollow user.username. And this is not tested because this is part of like the front end. So see if that works. Yeah, now I see add friend Escobar. Before it had just like a slash. Perfect. Okay. So now Jungle G is following Escobar and I can unfollow as well. Great. So let's log in as Escobar. And then let's follow Jungle G. Okay, cool. I should check that change because that's not on the repo. On relationship. And push. All right. So we do step 10. What do you say? Step 10. So this would be I mean, we can do like list the friends of the user, or see people. We can go that direction. But I feel it would be a nice kind of like change to just start working on the posts themselves. See what architecture setting here. So feed per user post points to a message object, message either type, and likes as message ID. Yeah, I mean, the idea here is that you have a like a little rail here that says Jungle G's friends, and then probably have a kind of like a user's like endpoint. But oh man, I'm happy I found this screenshot for sure. Oh, they used to call it subscriptions. Looks like those were your friends. Yeah, let's do posts. How about that? And we can do the friends list at the very end. So let's do posts. And again, I'm like a little bit overwhelmed because I don't know the direction that they should go into, but I think they should go into I mean, we have to like get something out. That's the key to getting on stock on projects. is getting a little thing done, and then you can kind of like build momentum by doing that little thing. So post is too generic. So create a post. And typically that would happen on your homepage. So create a post is one. And I think alongside with that is like list post. Now the key here is that the posts that you would see on friend feed were from your friends, from the people that you were following. Although you could like then do like, I want to see like what everybody's posting kind of thing. So list post from your friends. Okay. And here's a little bit of that architecture thing. So feed per user. Let's see, message is either type post or comment. Okay. If it's a comment, has a parent ID, and we use UID for all IDs. Yeah. Also has title, body, user ID, and data. Okay, so let's copy that. So we can copy the whole thing. And actually, because we've done this already, we can just delete this note. And then, so we're gonna use something called server sent events, which is not exactly WebSockets, but it's like, it's sort of like a new-ish kind of like technology that allows you to like subscribe and get like updates from a source, and QuarFeed. Quart has a very good support on that because it does the the asynchronous part of it. So that's what asynchronous applications are good for, like chats, real time, like streaming things, that kind of thing. And of course, it's good for APIs as well because it's super efficient, which is what I'm using at work. We're using Quart as an API, and it's really, really scalable. Like we have very few servers for thousands of requests per second on Quart. Okay, so let's copy that in here. Feed per user post feed points to a message. So let's try to draw like what a post object would look like. So let's close all the windows. And actually, let's do step 10. So this is step 10. So we're creating a brand new subsection or app, as I call them, which would be on this level. So let's say post. I don't know why it still creates it on that level. No. Come on, VS Code. There you go. Post. So let's create a new file in it. And then inside we're gonna have a views and a models. And so let's do some boilerplate copying and pasting from user. Of course, we're not gonna need all these things. Maybe most of these things. Render, template, request, session, redirect, URL for flash current app abort. Yeah, that sounds like all these things. Import UID, yep. I don't know about this. SQL Alchemy, select. And this we can just like leave empty. And so this is the post app. So let's go to the, let's say, oh, so this is, we'll probably call this, so the home page is really where all the posts are. So slash post would be to create a new one for sure. And when you visit a user, you'll see the post. So yeah, that's, let's just say slash post is the endpoint to create a new post, but it's being hit from the, I should add a new screen for preview, although I don't know how often, but in that case, this is a user on the home page. You can do post here, and that post is gonna go to this endpoint. So technically, we don't need get. And then just let's do return. Do we return something? Post. Yeah, it will be a redirect. URL for. Oh no, redirect. URL for and then home app in it. Let's check the applications. and add from post.views import post app. Okay. And yeah, we're not gonna be able to test this, I think, because you need to post to it. Unable to connect. There's some typo somewhere. Actually, let's run stuff from here. Up and away. Okay, user app is not defined on post. Yeah, that's right. Post app. Yeah, post app. There you go. Oh, it's ended. So let's restart it. You post app. Come on. Oh, this is also a typo. URL 4. There you go. Yeah, method not allow. Okay, that's it. That means that it's going through the application, landing where it needs to land, and so that's all looking good. So we need to work on the home, finally, because that home is super ugly. So one thing that oh wait, what is this called? Register. It's in it. Let's start with the basic framing of the template. So templates, home, new file, init.html. And let's open one of these pages to get the gist of it. Extend space. The title is Welcome to QuarFeed. Includes the nav bar. We're gonna do this 111 or 10 rather, and I'm going to call this home. And then we have to close this thing. Oh, I think black already closed it for me. Okay. So then on the views, we're going to do return render template home init.html. Let's go to the home page. what is happening. Problem on the page. Is there an error? Coroutine object is not iterable. What? Async def. Oh, I think user views. There's a return await, right? Return await. Let's try that again. Oh, come on. Starting app. One thing that I've noticed about Quar is like sometimes it takes a little while to like take the changes when you do it on Docker. So you need to like reload a couple of times. Sometimes you have to stop and restart the server. There was an error here that said could not be an endpoint for home app profile. This sounds like it's on the nav bar. Yeah, the bar messages are really long. Well, I guess Flask as well, but I don't know. I think the formatting as well is a little weird. Home app profile. Navbar. Yeah, we have to put the actual full URLs for these things because it's being now rendered. This worked before because we were rendering within the user like collection or app. But for these things we need to, I mean, if we're serving this on the home map, we need to have the full app or blueprint name. So that should work now. Nice. Okay, now let me see if I can view my profile. Yep, I can edit. I haven't done change password. Let's do the QuarFeed home link as well now that we're here. Where is it? Here it is. URL for home app.init. Did it reload? Nice. Okay, making some improvements in here. I want to change this mapping of the OBS because it's colliding with some stuff, and I think it's a little more complicated to do Command Shift 1, but we'll try it. Command Shift 2, Command Shift 1. Okay. Now let's try here. Command Shift 1. It's not picking it up. Did we not save it? Hotkeys. Maybe. Maybe I need to restart OBS for these changes to take, is what I'm thinking. Try another hotkey. Control Command 1. Let's see. Oh, what did I do? Sorry, guys. I just went away for a minute. Control Command 1. No. It sounds like a bell, like it's something's not, it's not right. So, yeah, I don't know what's going on. Okay, so let's continue here. So now let's do the form for the post. And we're gonna use we already did some of that work on the user template for the login, so we can leverage some of that stuff from here. I know we can do something called inline on the form itself. Home, okay. So let's say this is div post and we'll paste this. Now we only need post and slash, what was the name that we gave it? Post. Post. I mean, it's okay, I guess. Post. And then we're gonna use a CSRF token. I think we should. Submit button default post. See what that looks like. Post app. Oh, yeah. At least it's not post. Post app. Nice. Okay, so it's not username. We can actually take the label out. Although post a message. It's supposedly, I mean, for kind of like ADA purposes, it's always required to have a label. So let's leave it like that. Post, and I don't like. I like this blue. What is that blue? Button primary. And it's not username, it's label for post, and the ID is post, and the name is, well, let's call this post entry. And then value if, well, the value is I don't think we need to retain the value. This is actually a text area, what we want to do here. So let's see, text area. But I think, if I remember correctly, text area is like one of those HTML tags that you open and close. HTML text area. Right. Although we should do a search on Bootstrap. Text. And since we're using I can remember we're using 336. So let's search for that. Bootstrap 336 text area. Forms text area. There's no text area. Okay. Do we do forms? Form text area. Here you go. Rows equals 3. Let's see. And here we say, can we have a placeholder? They don't mention how you can put the placeholder there. Oh, maybe, yeah, put this. And we're gonna say something. Let's see our glorious creation. Nice. Oh, but I don't say something. Oh, weird. Oh, because I have some spaces in there. So this needs to close immediately. Right on. Yeah. I want to say something. Post. Boom. I think that just like went to the post and came back again, which is pretty cool. I'm getting excited. You guys. It's amazing. I've been working on this project since I think 2018. But 2019 was just zero like side project work because I had so much work on Find Mine, which was very interesting and cool work. I wouldn't be able to do this quart course without the work that I did there. And yeah, it's pretty exciting to see to teach you guys like what I've learned there. Let's see. We need the CSRF because I think it's not even showing here. Yeah, it's empty. So let's just copy that from the user. I guess let's take this on the post. Post. And the name of the post is post, right? And let's print it. I think we can see it on a tail to see if we're getting that. We can tell on the terminal here, which is what I've been doing. So if we post something here, testing 1, 2, 3. UUID is not defined. And you are correct. Okay, so let's see if that got caught. And I don't see it anywhere. Are we printing it out? We should be. But it didn't do anything. So let's insert a PDB here to make sure that we're getting the stuff. And try one more time. Testing. So it's holding there. Okay. Post. Okay, we're not getting it. Because why? Form. Let's see what the form looks like. It's just getting the CSRF token. That's interesting. Form control, hidden name. Oh, this doesn't have a name. Come on, guys. Name equals post. Now we should get something. Post. That's right. Now we got it. Do we need anything else from here? Yeah, I mean, I think I definitely want to grab some of this stuff. Ah. Oh. Connection. I just want to get like an example of a query. If not post, or post equals quote quote, I wanna set like a flash message. Do we use flash messages here? There it is. Await flash. Yeah. Please enter a post text. And we can do that if session get is CSRF token is not equal to form get CSRF token, then let's do await flash invalid post contents. And let's track this as a boolean. And say that it's a false. Yeah, I'm trying to think. I want to make it so that if any of these things are triggered, then we say that the error is true. Error is true. And then if there's no error, then we can do some like database operations. And we'll comment this. And we have to render the flash messages. I can't remember if I have a flash messages helper? I don't. So where was I using? I remember I used flash messages somewhere. Alert, success. Yeah, on the profile. So where's the profile? I guess here it says alert success. But in this case, it's gonna be more like errors. So instead of this error, which I don't think I'm gonna use, I'm gonna put this thing. Okay, let's try that, see if it works. So if I do post, wow, and I'm getting both? Huh. I'm getting like a CSRF token error. That's weird. Session get CSRF token is not equal to form get CSRF token. Let's put an PDB here to see what's going on in here. So if I reload the page, what are you complaining about? Testing post. Now I want to see what this session get CSRF token is. And the form gets CSRF token. Oh, it's not the same. Maybe it's because I'm not clearing the sessions. Oh, I'm not even setting it. That's right. So let's check out, let's do a continue here. Let's check the user views again to see how it's handled. So we generate that in there. If a request method is get, oh, then we set this thing to the session, right? So let's try that again. Testing. Wait, did I take out the... Oh, see, it didn't fall into that use case, so that's working fine. Cool. I think that's a good start. We got some stuff done, and we'll continue working on this. I'm really now excited. I want to make this this like thing here happening. Like such a cool site. I still miss it to this day. But in any case, that's the session for today. Thanks for watching, and I'm trying to do Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 5. But make sure to subscribe to the little notifications because I might get in a little bit later, or I might do other days. I might even do something on the weekend, so you never know. But yeah, thanks for watching. It's getting exciting. We're gonna figure out the SSE stuff and together and see like real time. Like I want to see that refreshing, like scrolling kind of like window without having to do any like checks over and over again. It's just like a subscribe, like pops up, publisher subscriber kind of like model. So thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.